So after successfully creating a storefront, this is how the storefront page will look like now. So now you still have access to storefront details, you have access to customized storefront, and you have access to payment method storefront. But I will be taking you through storefront details first. So in storefront details, you have the access to edit storefront. So if you click on edit storefront, it takes you to the first step when we were creating storefront, the name, pricing type, product selection. So sometimes you can just decide that okay, there's a particular product, I don't want that product to be displayed on my storefront. So yeah, I can on click on that product. So I can decide to click on any amount of product I want, or you have more product and you want to add more product to your storefront. So probably when you're creating your storefront, you just selected few items. So now you want to go back to select more items. So this is the page you would be selecting more products that will be displayed on your storefront. So after doing that, you click on next. So that is basically what to do in edit page. Then the next one is self checkout. So in the self checkout, this is a page where you can download a QR code and paste in your physical store, or you can put it on the table. Like okay, if your business is restaurant based, in the sense that you have a restaurant and people come around to buy food, so instead of them coming to like um the counter, or a staff going to meet them on what to order, they can this QR code can just be placed on the table of all the tables in your restaurant, and customers come in, sit, scan the QR code, and it automatically takes them to your storefront where they can place order, input table number, and when you receive the order, you process it and bring it to that particular table. It's just a way of easing stress and faster delivery to your customers. So the next one is clicking on the URL. So this URL takes your customers automatically to the storefront. So you can either copy the URL or download the QR code. So this download QR code is for you to download it, then print it out and paste it wherever you want to paste it. You can paste it as a banner, you can paste it on your table, and anyhow you want to paste it. Then the last one is delete. So if you decide that okay, I don't want this stuff from I created, I don't want it again, you can delete it. Copy URL is to copy the URL and maybe paste it on your browser to check your storefront out. So after creating your storefront, if you want to have access as a business owner to the storefront you created, you can click on this URL. Once you click on this URL, it automatically takes you to your storefront. So this is basically what your customers will see when they have access to your storefront, whereby they search for your storefront, or they go through they go through using the QR code. So the name of your storefront, your address, they can search for products, they can select by category. So this was the category where I said that you can drag and drop during storefront creation on the appearance of your category. They can click on other categories. So if you have a lot of categories, they just keep clicking and clicking. So they can also add to carts. So I would show you the process of how your customers would add to cart and proceed to checkout. So in this process, your customers just click on the product they want to buy, as many as they want. They can increase quantity. Then once they are through, they click on add to cart. So in add to cart, they can either decrease quantity, increase quantity, delete products. Okay, so maybe they decided that okay, they don't want that one of the product again, so they can delete it. So after that, they click on checkout. After clicking on checkout, um clicking on checkout, they have two access. So they can either pick in store in the sense that they make purchase, but they would collect it in the store after checking out and making payment, or they decide they want to do delivery. So in delivery, they would input these necessary details so that their delivery can be processed. So I would be picking in store first. Input my name, my phone number, my email address. So if it's a restaurant, I can this is where your customers can select the table they are in. So that's the table number, the numbers of diners, and note. So your customers can input I want it spicy. Okay. Then click on submit. So after clicking on submit, they click on proceed to payment. So this is just basically the experience your customers will have while they are making purchase on your storefront. So they click on proceed payment. So after clicking on proceed payment, they click on whatever payment method they want to use. They can decide to do pay with card, transfer, bank, USSD. Then they click on proceed. So after the payment has been successful, an email will automatically be sent to your mail on an order that your customer purchased, so that you can process the order. Then an email will also be sent to your customers concerning their order is being successful. So that is how um this checkout works. So to edit customize storefront, you click on customize tab and then click on customize button. So when you click on customize button, it's just basically the same process that you went through during product creation. You can decide to unbox, allow delivery during checkout. You can decide to turn off, allow online payment. Once you are done, click on done. You can decide to change your logo, change your colors. So this is the page that you edit customization. Then once you are done, you click on save. Same thing has sort category. So you can decide to change the position of the category. Maybe you are feeling like you want a product to be displayed first before an order in a particular order. This is how you work with this, and once you are through, it's the change automatically reflect and you click on back. So the last one is payment method setting. So if you want to edit your payment method, you click on edit. So once you click on edit, you can make some changes anywhere you want to make changes, and then you click on save. So once you click on save, you can delete payment method, you can turn off payment method that okay, maybe I don't want to use this payment method for some time, you can turn it off. Then you can also add other payment method. You can add more than one payment method. You can decide that okay, you want to use Stripe too, so you can add payment method Stripe or Paystack payment method as many as you want, and that is how to work with edit storefront. So you have three tabs you work with when you want to edit. You can either edit product details, edit customization storefront, and edit payment settings. Thank you very much.